tornadoes, high winds,
Tonight you're going to see
hail.
massive rain too. I think tonight we'll hopefully see the peak. And then
Okay, so you got by division, I see
Okay.
then your total one.
It really did. I'm limiting your time just for a second.
We're still hard at it. Less than 48 hours in, we've been able to restore over 123,000 customers. Looks like we're in the neighborhood of about 8,000 customers left at this point. We'll continue to bring crews in. In fact, we have 120 additional contractors coming in the morning. Looks very favorable that most of it will be cleaned up by midday tomorrow. That's Friday. Good Friday, unfortunately, and we do appreciate everybody working, and hopefully everybody will get home to enjoy an Easter holiday.